So this is my iPhone 5S and the display's a bit damaged on it, as in it's coming apart. So today I'm going to be replacing it with this display. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start by cracking the iPhone 5S open. I lost one screw, so now we grab a suction cup and pull it open. So yeah, as you can see, the display assembly is a little broken. And there we go. The thing is open. So now I've got to use this Phillips screwdriver. Undo this bracket so that I can get to the connector. Now I can gently undo these connectors. There we go, that's my display assembly. So now I need to get my Touch ID button, well, home button, off of the thing. There we are, that's the home button. So now this can go in the bin. And this so there's no camera on this or earpiece speaker, right? So I've got to take those off the old one as well. Okay, now we've got stripped down to the same point as that, so I guess the fun begins of placing this back in.
A few moments later.
Now I'm going to plug in the display. I've got all put back together and see if it's working. Hopefully it does. Okay, now I'm just going to plug it in with a lightning cable and see if it works. I think it's working, but I cannot see without taking the seal off. It's booting. So there we go. Well, it turns on, so that's a good thing. And the touch screen works as well. Now I'm gonna try and plug everything back in properly. Ready for the crunch. There we go. The screen is flush, which it hasn't been in 2 years. Right, now I can screw in the screw, which I've got to get 2 more of, and there we go. It's working. Oh, my neck is so sore after that. Whew. Oh dear. Digitizer isn't working. Right, now I've got to open it again and plug it back in.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Right, let's get this plugged back in. Well, screwed back in. And now this time the digitizer should actually work. Let's hope it does. The touchscreen works. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.